Welcome to my YouTube channel. Mobile Nexus. The year 2025 has brought a new wave of innovation in the smartphone industry, and Realme has once again positioned itself as a formidable player with its latest mobile release. Realme has consistently delivered cutting-edge technology at accessible price points, and the 2025 edition of its smartphone continues that tradition while introducing several impressive advancements. The moment you hold the new Realme Mobile in your hands, you're greeted with a sense of elegance and power. The design is sleek and minimalistic, yet it feels premium in every way. The body is crafted with an advanced fusion of glass and a newly engineered aluminum alloy that not only looks stunning but also enhances durability. The soft curved edges, precision-cut speaker grills, and ultra-slim profile all speak of the meticulous craftsmanship that has gone into this device. Powering this new Realme phone is the latest generation Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, a chip that is engineered for speed, efficiency, and superior AI capabilities. With this processor at the heart of the device, the user can enjoy lightning-fast multitasking, seamless app switching, and high-end gaming experiences without a hint of lag. Whether you're editing 4K videos, playing graphic-intensive games, or simply browsing the web, everything feels incredibly fluid. Realme has also paired this chipset with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring that even the most demanding tasks are handled effortlessly. The display is another area where this Realme device shines brightly. It features a 6.78-inch 2K AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is deep, and the brightness peaks at 2500 nits, making it perfectly visible even under direct sunlight. The high refresh rate ensures silky smooth scrolling and an immersive experience whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just navigating through the user interface. Realme has also integrated an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that is faster and more accurate than ever before. Camera technology has taken a leap forward in this Realme Mobile. It boasts a triple lens setup that includes a 200 megapixels primary sensor, a 50 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 20 megapixels periscope telephoto lens with up to 120x digital zoom. The primary sensor uses advanced AI algorithms and an enhanced optical image stabilization system to deliver stunning photos in all lighting conditions. Low-light photography has been dramatically improved, and the device can now capture night scenes with incredible clarity and detail. The ultra-wide lens captures more of the world in a single frame, perfect for landscapes and group photos, while the periscope zoom lens allows users to take crisp shots from a great distance.